Hello everyone, this is Russell Carlin, and this is my week 1 review video. And for this week I just did a simple app where you build an army. Basically put how many of each type of unit that you have here, and then your current gold, and then click the button and it'll tell you if you have enough for your units or not. So pretty simple. For Java, how Java is going for me, everything was pretty simple just because we know JavaScript and we know Objective C, so everything is pretty it's relatable, so it's not very difficult. I kind of busted this app out in like a few hours, so it was definitely not that difficult. For things I wish I would have done better, I wish I would have done my loop better, because I forgot about it actually, and so I just was thinking of some way to add a loop in, and I kind of just threw it in here at the bottom, and it actually adds the text here for each of the units, so it'll tell you when you if you can afford it, it'll tell you what units it has in there. So it's not necessarily required for the app. It's not something that's like, oh, you really need it, but I needed a loop, so that's what happened. um, so I wish I would have done that better. And also, I actually kind of forgot to do my git pushes, so I only have like a couple of them, like 3 of them, I think. And we haven't done it in months, so I just kind of forgot about it. So that could have definitely done some more pushes. Um, yeah. So, and for things that weren't very clear, um, really nothing. I mean, everything was very, very well done in the videos, and everything was very understandable. So, and like I said, you have the previous experience, so it was not very difficult. I actually threw in some other things like if you do this on, if you open this up on, I don't think you can do a keyboard on here. If you open this up on actually you can, yeah, this uses the physical keyboard, so you don't get the hardware keyboard. But if you do this on the device, which I was doing, I changed it so that it only can take numbers, so that you can't type anything else, which you can't anyway. I'm hitting all the numbers right now, or letters, so you can only put in numbers on these. Um, just little things I added in there that took me like literally like a minute to look up. So I mean, everything was very simple. Yeah, so it's going good, and I kind of demonstrated here different stuff. And like I said, this all these numbers are put and hard coded into resources so that you know how much gold each one is, and it just multiplies it in the code, which is on the button here. Here it gets all the values and multiplies it and adds them all together for your total, and then it compares the total to whatever you put in the gold available. And yeah, so that's how that figures all that out, and it's pretty easy, pretty simple and stuff. So this was this to be a lot of gold. So yeah, so there it shows that, and then if you don't have enough, then it says that you don't have enough. So well, that's all for this week. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you next week.